The reintroduction or the returning of animals to the wild is one of the key activities of the zoological gardens. Liberec Zoo has been participating in the reintroduction programs for a number of years. So far, 2 programs have been successful: the reintroduction of white-tailed eagles and Eurasian lammergeiers. We are also very pleased that some of the young raised by us already have their own offspring in the wild. Liberec Zoo has been involved in the reintroduction of the rare Eurasian lammergeier since 1986. 13 years later, it joined a similar project concerning the white-tailed eagle. The first young raised in Liberec were released into the wild in 2001. Reintroduction is returning animals to their habitat where they had previously lived or where their population is in decline. Do not confuse it with introduction, which means releasing animals to area where they have not lived before, which is, however, often undesirable and not commonly practiced. The actual release of juveniles is preceded by the painstaking work of zoologists and keepers. We collect the egg just before hatching and place it in an incubator. After it hatches, we feed the juvenile and make sure that it is in good health, and then it is returned back to its parents. Nevertheless, natural care for the young is much more preferred in Liberec. Recently, we have been opting for the natural method, where the eggs are left under the bird. The success rate is almost the same, and the birds do not get distressed so much. The Eurasian lammergeier and the white-tailed eagle projects are not the only activities of Liberec Zoo. Local experts would like to reintroduce more birds of prey to the wild in the future. We are gradually matching together breeding pairs of Bonelli's eagles. We also aim to breed the lesser spotted eagles. Then there is the breeding pair of Sinceria's vulture, and finally we have been putting a breeding group of imperial eagles. Caring for birds of prey and their subsequent release into the wild is a never-ending job. The best reward for us, however, is when everything works well and birds from Liberec start breeding on their own in distant foreign countries. That is a feeling certainly worth all the effort.